teachers, and here present all my dear friends. Good morning. I am Lalarpit from Standard 8. Now I am feeling very honored to stand before you and speak on a topic that not just define our career but our entire life. Education and self-improvement. We often hear that education is the key to success. But what does education really mean? Is it just memorizing chapters for exam? Or is it just getting high marks and collecting certificates? No, education is much more higher than that. Education means learning how to think, not what to think. It means developing curiosity, creativity, character and confidence. It means understanding our responsibilities. Real education teaches us how to live with dignity, discipline and purpose. In present time, where everything is changing so rapidly from technology to society, education becomes the foundation on which we build our future. It gives us knowledge to understand the world, courage to face challenges, and skills to create opportunities. But my friends, education alone is not enough. For truly succeed, we need something equally important, self-improvement. Why is self-improvement important? Self-improvement means becoming a better version of yourself every day. It is the process of identifying our weakness and working on them. It is about setting goals, building discipline, and growing step by step. We can sit in the best classroom, learn from the best teacher, and use the best books. But still, we are not succeed if we are not willing to improve ourselves. Because education gives us knowledge, but self-improvement turns that knowledge into action. For example, a student may learn about time management in school, but unless he practices it by organizing his schedule, avoiding distraction, and studying regularly, the lesson will remain just words on a page. This is where self-improvement enters. Education plus self-improvement is equal to success. Imagine education as a lamp. It gives light, but the lamp needs oil to keep burning. That oil is self-improvement. Education teaches us about the world, but self-improvement teaches us about ourselves. Education builds our mind, but self-improvement builds our character. When both combine, we gain the power to dream big, work hard and achieve greatness. How do we improve ourselves? Self-improvement does not require money, special resource or a particular background. Anyone can improve themselves if they choose to. Here are some steps. First, set goals. A person without goals is like a ship without direction. Set small, realistic goals daily, weekly, monthly. It can be reading one chapter daily, learning new skills and improving your handwriting. Small goals lead to the big achievements. Second, build good habits. Habits shape our future. Waking up early, studying consistently, listening to the teachers and staying organized. These will slowly transform us. Remember, motivation brings us to the starting line, but habits take us to the finish line. Third, learn from mistakes. Mistakes are not failure. These are lessons. Every successful person failed many times. What makes them different? As they choose their failure as stepping stones to success. Fourth, stay positive. Self-improvement becomes easier when we have a positive mind. Positive thinking helps us even in difficult situations. It turns obstacles into opportunities. Fifth, be curious. Ask questions, learn new skills. Curiosity is the engine of learning. The more curious you are, the more knowledge you gain. Sixth, surround yourself with good people. Friends who motivate you, family who supports you and teachers who guide you. They help you. Choose your company wisely. The role of education in present time. In this digital age, education has expanded beyond textbooks. We can learn through online classes, internet, videos and global interactions. But at the same time, the world is becoming more competitive. Skills like communication, leadership, creativity, emotional intelligence and problem solving are becoming more important. Education helps us to develop these skills. It teaches us how to understand other people, respect other opinions and make informed decisions. The truly educated person is not someone who knows everything, but someone who keeps learning every day. The role of self-improvement in shaping our life. The person who does not improve and remains stuck in the same place, but the person who improves constantly and becomes unstoppable. Self-improvement teaches us how to manage time, how to build confidence, how to stay disciplined, how to overcome fear, how to become emotionally strong, how to communicate effectively. These qualities will stay us for life. These qualities helps us to succeed not only in exams but also in relationships, careers and society. Our biggest competition, ourselves. Many students compare themselves with others. He got more marks. She is better at sports. She speaks good English. But the truth is, our biggest competition is not someone else. It is our own previous self. If you are becoming 1% better than yesterday, you are already winning. So dear students, education gives us wings, but self-improvement teaches us how to fly. Education helps us dream, but self-improvement helps us to achieve those dreams. If we want to build a strong nation and a bright future, we must focus on both. Let us promise that we will learn with curiosity, improve with dedication, and growing with confidence. The greatest project we will ever work is on it. Now I am ending my speech with a thought. Education shapes our thinking, builds confidence, and opens door to the opportunities. Learn, keep learning. Your future is waiting. Thank you so much.